Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's ASP.NET MVC tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to create CRUD operations in ASP.NET MVC application. So creating CRUD operation, CRUD is the create, read, update and delete operation in the ASP.NET MVC application involves several steps. So there is a step-by-step guide for the implementation CRUD operation on a ASP.NET MVC project. So we have a tutorial link. I'm opening this link. So here in this project we'll do the create, read, update and delete data from uh, SQL Server database and using the ASP.NET MVC application. So here we'll go step by step. So creating uh, prerequisites are there. Visual Studio, you have a Visual Studio as a supporting ASP.NET MVC, basic knowledge of C Sharp and ASP.NET MVC, and SQL Server for database operations. So let me open Visual Studio. So go to the file, new and project. So we'll just choose the ASP.NET Web Application .NET Framework. So continue without code, or you can go through the create a project. If you go continue without code, then you have to follow this step, file, new and project. So same way this will work. So here we'll choose ASP.NET Web Application .NET Framework. Okay. So if you are not getting the recent project template here, you can go down there in right side, or you can search also. So you will get a ASP.NET Web Application .NET Framework. You can able to see that. So select this one, click on next, give the application name. I'm giving the name student card, and if you want to change the .NET Framework, so you can change it from here. Go to the next. Just select MVC. Remove the configuration for HTTPS for now. Just click on create. Second option is set up the database. So open SQL Server Management Studio. So open SQL Server Management Studio. So let it open and creating the project. Okay, so Visual Studio open with the student card. Right side you can go to the Solution Explorer. If Solution Explorer is not visible there, then go to the your view, and here you can click on your Solution Explorer. The Solution Explorer is there. So already is there. Next, I'm going to log in with my database credential. So go to your databases, and here as per your requirement, just like create a new database CRUD I'm creating with the same name. Give the name and click on OK. So database is created with the default configuration. Next, create a table of the database. So you can create the table, or later on also we can create the table. So later we'll create the table. Now add a database connection to the projects. Open web config file, add the connection string. So copy this connection string, open your web.php web.config file, and after configuration add there database context, and database name is CRUD. I'm just using the local host, so I'm just putting the dot and integrated security true. So automatically it will connect without username and password. I will tell you the user connect database with the username and password in the next video. So after that, create the models. So right click on the models folder and select the add class and create the model. So you need to create the model. So go to your models, right click on the models, add class. Give name of the class is student CS and just click on add. After that, you can create the public int id get set. Okay. So similarly, we'll do it for the other. How many fields we have added? 1, 2, 3, 4. So for all the field, we'll just do it here. So string name, string after name there is a email and integer age. Age. Just cross check with the your code. So ID, name, email, and age. So we created this one. Now create the DB contest. So go to the tools, new package manager, and just search for the entity framework and install it. Go to the tools, NuGet package manager, and package manager for solution. So go to the browse and search entity framework. So this let it open all. Okay, so I'm going to install this one entity framework. So just select your project here and click on install. Okay, it will ask you the permission about the preview changes. So click on apply. I accept and start installing packages. So install the entity framework is completed. Okay, completed. Next, add a new class of the model folder name with the CRUD context.cs. So go to your models, right click on that, add new class, give the name and just create. Okay. So here using the system data entity, we'll just create a class CRUD contest. Automatically added to the data entity. Just click on save. So up to this is completed. Now create the controller. So right click on the controller folder, select the add controller and choose MVC5 controller with the views using the entity framework. So right click on the controller, add controller. Choose MVC5 controller with the view using the entity framework. Click on that, click on add. Model class, just click there, select student, data contest class, just add the CRUD contest and click on add. Okay, and selecting the code generator. Okay, let me rebuild the project first. Just click on cancel. Go to the build, rebuild your CRUD, student CRUD. So rebuild completed. Now go to the controller, right click on the controller, add controller. MVC5 controller with the view. Select student, DB contest, click on add. So this part is completed. Go to the next. So this is we have done. Now update the database migration. Once open the package manager console for the tools pan NuGet package manager and run the following commands. Go to the tools NuGet package manager. There is a package manager console. Open this one. First, I'm going to run one by one. Install package entity framework. Successfully installed. Next, enable migrations. Next, add migration initial create. Okay, done. Next, I'm going to update the database. Whatever the changes, it will update the database. Go to the package manager, right click on that, paste. So completed. Now run the application. So for the running the application, just press F5. Let me check any error issue. No. So loading the project. Taking to okay, open. So this is the home page, this is a default page. So we need to open our controller students. So just put it slash students. So this is open. So this is the student page. There is we'll go through the listing, and first we'll go to the create new. So create new, we'll create a student name, email, age, and just this is a create button. Some CSS is missing. So this is a create. When you will click on the create button, the data will be inserted into the database. So go to your database, tables, and there is a students. Here you can able to see the data. Whatever the data we have inserted, the data will be there. And if you want to edit this detail, so just click on the edit. Just like I'm putting Chirag 1, click on save. So this is changed to Chirag 1. In database also, previously this one is Chirag. Just refresh this one. So Chirag 1 is changed. So you can go to the details, and if you want to delete, then you click on the delete. So database data will be deleted. Click on the delete. This data will be deleted. So you can check here. So data is deleted now. So in this video we have learned creating CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations in ASP.NET application. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Not follow the process on in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.